What's up everybody, Kitten right here. So Samsung's upcoming mid-range smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, is really getting the attention of people nowadays. We have seen the CAD-based renders of the phone, and today we got our first hands-on look of the smartphone courtesy of beatsbyNeVs promo. Yes, the same guy who leaked the entire Note 20 lineup way before the official launch event. Anyway, here is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition in navy blue color, which looks quite good though, and it do looks like the regular S20. Well, the difference being here is only the punch hole, like the punch hole in the Fan Edition is smaller like the one on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series. Other than that, it's almost the same. Having said that, we have some further details regarding the phone. So according to the beatsbyNeVs promo, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE slides between the Samsung Galaxy S20 and the S20 Plus. Like it's a flat 6.5-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The small cutout in the top half of the display houses the 32-megapixel selfie camera, while the back comes with a 12-megapixel main shooter along with an 8-megapixel telephoto with a 3x optical zoom, and the third shooter is 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. The rest of the specs include a 4500 mAh of battery, Snapdragon 865 on the 5G version, and the Exynos 990 on the 4G model, and One UI 2.5 on top of Android 11. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE is launching on September 23 and is expected to retail for like 700 euros. Other than that, we don't have much details regarding this phone, but I will cover everything regarding this phone. So what do you think about this hands-on look of the smartphone? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below, and subscribe for the daily tech videos. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.